Hello friends. Barbari does have well set udder with conical teats. Both bucks and does have twisted horns, which are directed upward and backward and are medium in length. Barbari goat has wide variation in coat color, but usually white with small light brown patches is the most common color. On an average, adult Barbari bucks weigh about 37.85 kilograms and is about 22.56 kilograms. As the Barbari is a small-sized goat breed, so they generally require less housing space. On an average, a mature goat will require about 10 square feet of housing space. Install good ventilation system inside the house and always try to keep the house clean and dry. Feeding the goats with good quality and nutritious food is the most important part of raising Barbari goats. So, always try to feed your goats with enough nutritious foods, and always give them enough clean and fresh drinking water. Like many other domestic goat breeds, the Barbari goats are naturally very good breeders. They will breed easily if you keep good ratio of bucks and does in your flock. Generally, one mature healthy buck is enough for breeding around 25 to 30 does. Barbari goat is raised mainly as a meat goat breed, but it is also a pretty good milker. This goat breed is very suitable for commercial meat goat farming business. Barbari goat is a small-sized meat goat breed mostly found in the northwestern arid and semi-arid regions of India. It is mainly found in Agra, Etah, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab and Bharatpur district of Rajasthan, as well as in Jhelum and Sargodha districts in Punjab province, Pakistan. These goats are also found in Mauritius, Nepal and Vietnam. The world population of Barbari goat is estimated at about 2.4 million, of which almost all are in India and Pakistan. The breed is also known by some other names such as Bari, Wadi Bari, Titri Bari, Thori Bari, Sai Bari, etc. The Barbari goats get their name from Berbera, which is a coastal city located on the Indian Ocean, Somalia. This goat is one of the 20 classified goat breeds in India and is most commonly found in the northwestern arid and semi-arid regions. Agra, Etah and Etawah are the breeding tract of Barbari goat in India. Today the breed is well adapted for Indian conditions and gaining popularity as meat goats. The Barbari is a dual-purpose breed of domestic goat which is good for both meat and milk production. However, here we are describing more information about this goat breed. Barbari goat has unique characteristics. It's a pretty small animal with medium-sized compact body. They are alert and attractive, and have bulging eyes, because of their quite prominent orbital bone. Their ears are short, tubular, almost double, with the slit opening in front, erect, directed upward and outward. Bucks have a large thick beard.